I'm going to do a little geography lesson here for the Republicans out there, particularly those from Alabama, Mr. Shelby, and many, many others that are a little bit challenged when it comes to geography. Okay, this is the United States here, as you can see. However, there's another area of the United States. Up here is Alaska. Some Republicans might remember that. Sarah Palin's from there. But over here is the Hawaiian Islands. Now, it's far, very far from the United States. It's way, way over here. However, this is part of the United States. I know it's hard to understand being that far away, but it's part of the United States. It's actually the 50th state. It's right here where I'm pointing. Okay, now the reason I'm bringing this up is I want to go over here to this birth certificate, and we're going to look, oh, let's see, there it is, Obama, President Barack Obama, born on August 4th, 1961. I might add, that is actually my birthday as well, although I'm 3 years older than our president. Now, we want to look over here, Honolulu. Okay, I'll grant you, Honolulu, that sounds like a foreign place. So he could be a foreigner, and then of course he wouldn't be president if he was a foreigner. However, Honolulu is part of Hawaii. Oh, you see it says Hawaii. Right here, Department of Health, Hawaii, USA. That's USA. That's United States of America. Department of Health, Hawaii, USA. Okay? Honolulu. Again, it sounds foreign, but it's still part of the United States. And our president was born August the 4th, 1961. His mother's race was Caucasian. His mother's maiden name was Stanley Ann Dunham. I imagine that's Ann Dunham Stanley being her last name. And he was actually born on Oahu. And he was a male. And as you say, again, this is the U.S., Hawaii. Department of Health, Hawaii, USA. So, I hope this helps with the situation regarding our president's birth. Thank you very much. And this is really for the Republicans. I just want to sort of school them a little bit on geography. I understand. Okay. Thank you.